Understanding the phrase, blue-eyed boy. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, blue-eyed boy. Whether you've heard it in a conversation or come across it in a book, by the end of this video, you'll be able to use this expression like a native speaker. The phrase, blue-eyed boy, has its roots in history. Originally, it referred to a person, especially a man or a boy, who was particularly favored by someone in authority. The blue eyes part was associated with the idea of purity or favoritism, since blue eyes were considered attractive and rare. In modern times, the phrase has evolved. Now, it's used to describe someone who is favored or preferred in any group, organization, or context. This can be in a workplace, a sports team, or within a family. It's important to note that it doesn't necessarily involve someone with blue eyes. It's purely metaphorical. When you want to use blue-eyed boy in a sentence, think of it as a way to highlight someone's special status. For example, John is the blue-eyed boy in the office. He always gets the choicest assignments. Ever since he won the award, he's been treated as the blue-eyed boy of the art community. It's also crucial to understand the cultural context when using phrases like blue-eyed boy. While it's not offensive, it could hint at favoritism or unfair advantage, which might be sensitive in certain situations. Always use it in a context where the meaning is clear and it won't be misunderstood. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, blue-eyed boy. Next time you hear someone being referred to as the blue-eyed boy of a group, you'll know exactly what it means. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has enriched your understanding of English expressions. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using them with confidence.